Hello, welcome to our channel Pictures That Speak. In today's video, we will go through some pictures that show how the earth would be feeling about the current life situation. So let's get started. In the first picture, the earth is looking at old photographs from the archives, helplessly crying and remembering the old days when everything used to be so calm and peaceful and the earth was green and beautiful. And now it is sick and wounded, as the marks of stitches and bandages can be seen clearly on it. And there are also spots of blood on many parts of the world, which indicates the ongoing war. This picture is showing the increase in level of pollution in the sea, which is severely affecting the marine life. The main cause of the pollution is the behavior of people. People go to beaches and throw the garbage in the sea, including plastic bottles, wrappers, and other stuff. Most of the plastic items are eaten by the fish, turtles, sea lions, and other birds, which cause their death because their stomachs are unable to digest the plastic materials. There are also many cases where sea animals are found dead due to choking by the fishing nets. The next picture is showing that we humans have many options, but animals don't have. The animals are drinking dirty and intoxicated water, but the most interesting thing is that they even did not pollute it. The world is equally their home as well, but what we humans are doing, it needs to be reconsidered. This picture is showing the evolution of human beings. We human beings are the most intelligent and smart species on the planet, but instead of playing our role as a civilized species, we are damaging the environment and making it difficult for others to live because of industrial pollution and tons of waste material which are directly dumped into oceans every year, rather than recycling the waste and making it environment friendly. In this picture, it can be seen that a hand is shaving the earth's head with trimmer, which represents deforestation. Every year, thousands of trees are cut down for the purposes of getting wood for furniture, production of paper, and other uses. This deforestation is not only badly impacting the wildlife by making them homeless, but is also a major cause for issues like frequent floods, global warming, etc. This picture is also representing the issue of deforestation, where a person is watching greenery on the wallpaper of his computer screen, whereas on the outside there are no trees left and the animal skull is lying, which shows that there is no wildlife left in the forest. You guys might be thinking that this picture is exaggerating the scenario, but actually it is a warning for us that we should think for the lives of our future generations. Well, this is not a drawing, but somebody just made the sad faces on the wooden logs which are being transported to the city after cutting from forest. I just love the brilliance of that person, like how simply he conveyed the message in a very impactful manner. The next picture is showing the imbalance of distribution of wealth between people across the globe. The scarcity of resources, poverty and hunger is increasing every day in many underdeveloped countries, especially in the continent of Africa and Asia. However, the rich people are busy in their empire building and making their own fortune. Although there are many NGOs working which are supplying food and other necessities, but still a lot more need to be done by the society in the form of donations and charities. This picture is representing how it would be the situation if the animals were reciprocating the same behavior towards human beings what we have towards them. People kill animals and preserve their bodies just to decorate their homes. You might have seen a tiger or bear skin kept at the floor just like floor mat, or a deer face or a moose face placed on a wall. Well, these killings need to be stopped through awareness among the people. In this picture, there is some conversation going on between sun and moon about the earth, which shows that earth is itching its body due to the presence of human beings on it, maybe due to war, pollution and other problems created by us. The moon's reply seems to be funny, however it makes us realize that how awful our presence is. And the last picture of today's video shows how we are just silently watching our planet being destroyed. This obviously represents the current scenario that everybody is just thinking that nothing will change by the efforts of an individual person. But if we spread awareness among the people in our surrounding or in our social circle, this will definitely improve the situation. So guys, if you find this video useful and informative, then please like and share the video to spread awareness and create an impact, and also subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.